Hi everyone, welcome back to the Pro Data Analytics. So in this video, we are going to make a Fintech Project Management report. So this is the report for we are building for challenge organized by the FP20 Analytics and the Zoom charts, right? So this is the Zoom charts and the FP20 Analytics. So this data challenge is the last date to submit is 3rd December, right? So So in this challenge, you will work with the Fintech Project Management dataset from a company that develops and delivers innovative payment solutions across Europe. The dataset captures how product development projects such as digital wallets, tap-to-pay systems, and online payment APIs are planned, executed, and monitored. It includes information about projects, tasks, employees, departments, and milestones, showing how time, cost, and planned resources are managed throughout the fintech product development lifecycle. So in this data challenge, your goal is to analyze this data to identify insights that improve project delivery efficiency, resource allocations, and overall performance in payment solution development. Fintech companies often manage multiple projects simultaneously, each with distinct goals, budget, and deadlines. The main challenge is to understand how data can help manage these projects more effectively and ensure payment products are delivered on time and within the budgets. Okay, this is the goal that we need to keep in mind, that while analyzing and making the report, that we need to identify and improve the project delivery efficiency, resource allocation, and overall performance in payment solution development. So we need to keep in mind that fintech companies often manage multiple projects simultaneously, so each with distinct goals, budgets, and deadlines. The main challenge is understanding how data can help manage these projects more effectively, ensure payment products are delivered on time and within the budgets. Okay, and so let's see. So let me tell you about some about this challenge, right? So this is basically the Zoom charts is the uh, organization who make a custom visuals for the Power BI. So while making the report, if you make two visuals per page from the Zoom charts custom visuals, so you will be eligible for $300 Amazon voucher. Okay, if you win this challenge, right? So and other than that, from FP20 Analytics, we will win a Skillwave course plus Monkey Tool Excel add-in, and first runner-up will get 3 months free subscription to the Database Forge, and the second runner-up will get one Udemy course and plus packed books. Okay, and these are the multiple things you will win if you win this challenge, right? So you can make Zoom chat custom visuals, and you can, if you want to use only Power BI native visuals, that also you can do, and you can submit in the FP20 Analytics LinkedIn group. And if you include a Zoom charts visuals, two visuals per page, and more than also it's fine based on the analysis what you make. So and you can submit that report here in the Zoom charts website, right? So here you can if you did not logged in or subscribed here, you can do register here and submit the report, and there is still 7 days of time is left, and you can submit multiple times. Okay, if you first submit, then they will give you feedback also on your report in 2 days. Okay, and let's see what are the main goal of this challenges. So let's see, the fintech projects are more than line of code or milestone achieved. They are a reflection of innovation, efficiency, and collaboration in a fast-moving digital economy. By analyzing project timelines, budget, risk, resources, and delivery outcomes, organizations can uncover the hidden dynamics that drive success or reveal the pain points that slow progress. So this challenge invites participants to explore a comprehensive dataset capturing project phases, financial metrics, resource allocation, and delivery performance across multiple initiatives. The goal is not only to measure efficiency, but also to understand how financial and operational decisions impact the project outcomes. That is the very good point. Okay. So next point is, as a participant, your mission is to identify patterns that reveal what makes fintech projects succeed or struggle, detect risks early through data, highlight top performing teams or projects, and generate actionable insight that later can use to improve execution, optimize investment, and strengthen the overall project governance. So this is your goal. You should keep in mind while making the report. So we are going to build a two-page report in the Power BI. Okay, so we'll make sure that these metrics are met. Okay, and let's see the dataset how it's looking like. So what insight we can make from dataset. So I have downloaded the dataset already. You can download the dataset from here, from the Zoom charts page, get the datasets. You will get a zip file. Okay, and you can extract that zip file. So this is the Excel sheet. So we'll see what datasets is looking like, right? Okay, so looks like we have 5 tables, right? First one is project. So let's see, control A, alt H O I, right? So it is size is adjusted automatically. Okay, project ID. So let's see how many projects are there. Total count is 72. Okay, 72 projects are there total. Product names are given. So for these projects, what was the product? Department ID, project manager ID, project country, city, project country, latitude, longitude. Okay, so planned date, so planned start date, planned end date, actual start date. So this will be very interesting to see what when the actual, what is the difference between the planned date and actual date, right? So actual end date, so what is the current status of the projects, right? So is it in progress, is it in delayed, is it in not started, or is it completed, right? So and planned budget, actual budget, so what is the risk level of that? Okay, country flag, completion percentage. So currently when this report was pulled out, what was the completion of the project, right? And then let's see milestone table. So in the milestone table we have roughly milestone ID, okay, milestone name. So what milestone they achieved while building this project, right? So planned completion date, so okay, and actual completion date and the status of the these milestones, right? Then employees table we have, so how many employees we have, so total 120 employees we have. So full name, their names are also given. So what department they are from, and what was the role, what's their role is are there, BI developer, business analyst, compliance specialist, data analyst. So very good amount of roles are there. So but for this all the project managements, and experience level, what was what's their experience is currently, and country, city from where they are currently, and employee, so their latitude, longitude also given, and what's their hourly rates. So hourly rate is given in euro. Okay, you can, if you want to make it in euro, you can make it euro. So best I think, so country will be, so miss, so okay, so all the countries is are from, employee countries are all Europe countries is there. So you can keep the hourly rate in euro only, so no need to convert in USD, right? And next is department table. So we have 7 departments, and the head of the department and department name is given. Okay, product manager, product management, engineering, data analytics, manage marketing, finance, and customer supports. Then tasks, so what tasks, how the task is executed. So total task we have 624. Okay, task names, we have multiple tasks and planned hours and actual hours. So status of that particular tasks and what was the priority. Okay, so this is a basic understanding of the data set. So what insight we can make from this data set. So we have 5 tables. Okay, so let's see these tables. We will import these tables in Power BI. So this is the empty power blank Power BI page I have created. So we can import the Excel sheet. So first let's close this Excel sheet. Don't save. Okay, so Excel workbook, right? So we have Fintech Project Challenge. This is the main sheet we have, and they have given world flags also. Okay, so separate sheet they given. There are 2 columns are there. So country flag they have given. Okay, let's open this. Okay, right, we need to import one department table, employee table, milestone table, projects, and tasks. Okay, these 5 tables we need to import, and we will transform. Okay, first we need to transform, we need to do data cleaning, all the data cleaning, what data cleaning we need to do for our analysis. So first we need to make sure that what kind of analysis we are making. Based on that we need to do all the data cleaning. Okay, in Power Query we will make the data cleaning, so we can make the data cleaning in Excel also. But uh, for your hands-on experience, so it's good to have a data cleaning experience in the Power Query only, so it will be very easy for you to take the experience in the Power BI. Okay, so let's see, it is all steps are applied, steps are added. Okay, this is all our data types is already as a text is uh, identified by the Power BI. Okay, let's see, project ID assigned to employee. Okay, so all correctly data types are identified while we imported in Power BI, right? So this is the task. Second is project table. Okay, third one is milestone, employees, right, departments. Okay, so here it is, the first row is not Fine. Okay, first on the top. So we'll do all the data cleaning at once. What data cleaning, what we need, we will identify that first. Then we will start making data cleaning, data modeling, and making the report. Okay, and publishing it. Right. So all the steps we will going to do in step-by-step manner. So you'll have a very good experience making this report. So let's make this together. So I will be posting this first part up to here only. So I will you have any comments, you can make it. So what kind of analysis we can make, let's share your thoughts. Okay, then we'll start making, analyzing, and building the report. So they have given few questions also to analyze the report, right? So 10 questions they're given. So first question is, which projects are progressing as planned and which are at risk of delay or overspending, right? So this is the first question. Second one is, how do project duration, milestone completion, and task efficiency relate to success, right? How do hourly rates and experience levels influence projects cost and speed? Are some departments or cities more consistent at meeting deadlines? What task statuses or phases most often cause delays or rework? Can early project data help predict delays or budget issues? How does resource allocation by role, hours, or cost affect overall project profitability and delivery time? Which project managers or teams demonstrate the highest delivery efficiency relative to budget and timeline targets? Are there patterns in client type, project size, or complexity that correlate with higher risk or lower profitability? How do financial indicators, example, build versus actual hours, planned versus realized costs, evolve across different project phases? So this is the good starting point. They have given 10 points for us to start the building report. Okay, so you can make your analysis also, no issue in that. So this is the 10 questions they have given to start the. Okay, so you can make any analysis based on what data you are going to insight you are going to make. Okay, based on the data sets. So I will keep this video up to here in the first part. So let's share your thoughts, what kind of analysis we should make, what kind of visuals we should make. Okay, and we will make a very beautiful data dashboard. Okay, so let's stay tuned. So make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with everyone. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.